About myself, I'm currently an attending here at Interventional Orthopedics of Washington. I also, as been mentioned, got my Bachelor of Science in Chemical Engineering at MIT and went on to do a PhD as well, specifically in cartilage regeneration, focusing on the scaffolds, biomaterial scaffolds, and working with stem cells specifically. I did find they do work in regenerating tissue, but currently they're not at a state that they can be used clinically. I am board certified as well and certified as a RMSK specialist, which means I can do ultrasound diagnostic and therapeutic. And I've been fellowship trained with an orthopedic surgeon actually, who found that these injections yielded better outcomes than some of the surgeries. So she ended up doing a lot more of those, and that inspired me as well.